G'day guys, behind me here is our Tuatara Pinnacle Rooftop Tent. Now this rooftop tent is made with a 280 gram polyester ripstop body and a polyester ripstop fly. Now this ripstop fly has also got a blackout coating, so that reduces your internal temperature during those hot days. Now both the body and the fly are fully seam sealed and double stitched, so that means that they're fully waterproof. These have also both got an extreme 10,000 mil waterproof rating, so that's both the fly and the body giving you 20,000 mil above you, keeping you nice and dry. This tent's also got our unique to Kiwi camping weather shield system. So this system here actually allows you to keep all the water off the side of your tent, making it nice and dry inside. So it also allows you to keep these big 2-in-1 windows open pretty much no matter what the conditions are. Now come inside and have a look inside with me. Welcome inside the Tuatara Pinnacle. So now we've got a really nice quilted diamond stitched headrest in here, really finishing off the looks. We've also got full built-in LEDs in here. Now these are dimmable and adjustable, so you've got 3 different light settings. You can cycle through them, they're all USB powered, and you can dim them and bring them back up too. Thanks to our Exo-Extender hinge system, we've also got extra air venting. So that just helps keep that airflow going through the tent, helping reduce that internal condensation. Now this can be fully closed off if you want. You want to keep your head nice and toasty with our easy pull zipper system. We've also got inside here lots of tiered storage pockets with 2 big ones up the front, and then on each side we've also got really nice large ones here. You can fit lots of big drink bottles in there. We've also got back in this back corner a little pocket where you can store a USB power bank or charge your phones. We've also got a 50mm memory foam mattress. This is super comfy. We've also got on our internal pole our anti-condensation sleeve. Now this just helps stop any condensation that forms on our aluminium frame from dripping. And like on all Tuatara tents, we've got our 2-in-1 window system. So at the moment it's all fully closed up. If you wanted extra airflow, simply undo your internal privacy screen. If you don't want that, you want a bit of privacy as well, simply fully shut that up from the inside and you're all sorted. Want a bit of both worlds, you can go halfway, fold that down on the inside. Still got heaps of airflow up here with our no-see-um mesh, and then you've also got privacy down below. Now we recommend up here always allowing ventilation, so make sure even in cold weather you do leave some of these windows open to let that airflow come through. That's where this weather shield system really comes into its own. It helps protect the inside of the tent, allowing for airflow in pretty much any weather conditions. When you're packing down the Tuatara Pinnacle, you can actually leave 2 extra large -5 rated sleeping bags in here. You just need to fold them over on the back half of the tent. This will cause it to be a little bit harder to pull down, but everything still locks down inside. On our Tuatara Pinnacle, we've got the Exo-Extended hinge system. So not only is this system really strong and durable, but it also allows you to have a lot more headroom in this end of the tent, but it also allows you to get some ventilation at the back here with our internal vent system. This all collapses down super easy, and this is what's allowing us to have so much weight on top of the tent when it's all set up. The Tuatara Pinnacle also comes with 2 large PVC shoe bags. Now these have got a big storm flap over them, they're fully waterproof, and they're also oversized to fit large boots inside. They've also got double storage pockets, a polyester one on both sides and a mesh one on the front here, so you can store all your goods in there. And you've also got a nice long pocket here if you're wanting to store any kegs or anything like that. Now these can be attached onto the sides or onto the front of the tent. With the Tuatara Pinnacle all packed down, it's an aluminium shell. Now on this upper section, we've got 2 extrusions up here where you can run an M8 bolt through to mount max tracks, lights, any other recovery items or lights. Down the bottom, we've also got a channel system on the sides and the back. So you can run lights through here as well and mount them around the base. Underneath the tent, if you want to be a bit more discreet, you've also got an M8 channel system running on the front or the back of the tent so that you can mount lights there. And you've also got sail track on all 4 sides to run your shoe bags or any sail track lights. Now on this tent, we've also got our optional roof rack. So this here can hold 60 kgs on top of it when it's all set up. When it's packed down, you can load that up with 250 kgs. All of these corners on this tent as well are fully sealed from the inside and the outside, making them super waterproof, and you've also got a big compression seal along the base there.